Sudoku practice continues. Yes, daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, May the 11th, May the 12th, 2024. Here again, May the 11th. We have here two regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku. I will do this one in a minute. This one, the Samwise Sudoku, I will do tomorrow evening. And we have here in this newspaper a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles, the 2 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and a jigsaw Sudoku, tectonic. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and for tomorrow we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow in the afternoon. But first, let me solve this regular puzzle. The Sudoku with 3 stars, or medium Sudoku. This will be number 8512. 8512. Alright, let me zoom this. Zoom. Yeah. 8512. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 8512. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in additional 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. That's a lot of 4s. Let me start with a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4. A should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, from the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4, a should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. Only place left for 4, a should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then let me see. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in the middle row, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 5 should be there. I cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about these three missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in these two boxes. So one box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So no row between the second row. The only two places left with a 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The one in this column, the one in the last column, so the column between, the only two places left with one should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, 1, yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1, we have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes, 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1, okay. Then, then I cannot continue with the 1. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3, 3, okay. Then 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number in the second row is the number 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in the second row should be there. Then 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yes. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only two places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a pair again, I believe. Yeah. The 6 and the 9 in this row. The 6 and the 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. And look, we have 6 and 9 in this column, so no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. We have a pair again. The 7 and the 6 in this column. The 7 and the 6 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So 1 digit left in the last column for the 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then... let me see. Do we have all the 2s? No. 2. How about the 5? Nope. Cannot fill this yet. How about the 9? Nope. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the last row. So the row between The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the third column, so the column with 3 in the second column. The only place level 3 should be there. Here we have a 5 and 8, 6 and a 9, so here should be the 1 and the 7 are left. Yeah. We need the 8 here. Yeah. 1 and a 7 and 8. Come on. Need a 1 here. 7 and 8. Come on. How about here the 5 and the 8 are missing. Need a 9 here, 5 and 8, 5, 8, and the 2. Missing the 2 here. Okay, 7, 6, and the 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in the middle column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 1 digit left in the last column for number 6 again. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. 6 and 9, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next down. Need 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 or a 7 here, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 and 8. And here 5 and the 8 are missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Saturday.